classical geometry in action at a really complex level. Because I saw this once on Twitter a couple of years ago, and the artist on this is David Aja, A-J-A is his last name, and this is one of his more famous covers of Hawkeye #1. And someone asked him, how much did you have to nudge that arrow around in order to get it in just the right spot? Because that's what happens when you design stuff. You nudge stuff around a bit. And David Haha replied, I didn't nudge it around at all. There was only one spot for it. And then he posted this. This is all the classical geometry that David Aja was using to design this one thing. And as you can see, the arrow is nestled right in between these two major diagonals when he divided the page, and he just did all sorts of there's the copy safe area. He used that. That's where, of course, the Marvel logo and stuff goes. He divided it in quarters. He divided it in halves, then he divided it in quarters. You can see that arrow goes right through the quarters. He divided it in half that way. As you can see, that's where one of the targets goes right through. He divided it in quarters after halves. As you can see, that's where another target goes right through. He divided these two major diagonals. That's what gave him one end of the arrow. And he had the major diagonals going the other way. That gave him the other end of the arrow, the half major diagonal. So he was and then there's the center all together. So you can see he was real, and he even divided the logo in thirds. So you can see he was really using a lot of classical geometry just to make this this one cover, and he made it look effortless because. There's no trace of you would never know he used all that classical geometry, but like I said, there was only one place for that arrow. He nestled it right in place.